name is Nick. Today I will read a book called Electric Eels. Electric Eels, written by Rachel Rice. Focus question: what is an electric eel? Legendary shocker. Alexander Humboldt went to South America to catch electric eels in the 1800s. He thought they could help him learn about electricity, a kind of energy that scientists knew little about. He knew not to touch the eels because their shocks could cause great pain. He asked some fishermen to help. The fishermen led about 30 oars into a pond. The electric eels began to shock the oars. When the eels were too tired to shock the horses anymore, the fishermen caught 5 eels. Humboldt learned much about the eels. Shocking fish story. Recently, scientists saw eels rise up to protect themselves as they did with the horses. Before that, some scientists thought Humboldt might not have been telling the truth. It's a fish. Electric eels are long, gray-brown fish with yellow and orange on the throats. They are more like catfish than other eels and belong to a group of fish that are all electric. Electric eels can be about as big around as an adult person's leg and 3 times as long. Male and female electric eels are alike in color and size. Unlike most other fish, electric eels breathe air. They have gills, but their gills mostly help them breathe out. Electric eels have special organs in the mouth that help them breathe in. They breathe out waves of air from their mouths and gills. They come up to breathe air every few minutes and can drown if they don't. Like most other fish, electric eels have fin and a black bone. Their backbones and fin are the body parts that help them move. They swim slowly most of the time, but they move quickly when they attack. It's electric. Electric eels are the most electric fish on Earth. They can find their way around and send signals to the other eels using their electricity. They can also protect themselves, hunt and stun or kill the animal they eat. Other fish use electricity too, but none are as powerful as electric eels. Shocking medical history. Don't try this at home. Ancient Greeks and Romans tried to cure headaches with electric rays. A ray shock could have made a person's head numb, so it might have worked. 3 organs make an electric eel's shock. These organs make up most an electric eel's body. They make its body like a big battery that could turn on a light. An electric eel can shock its prey or the animal it eats with up to 650 volts of electricity. The shock can kill small animals and big stunned ones. Any animals near the eel can feel it. The shock has about 5 times the volts used to power a lamp. Scientists don't know why electric eels can't feel their own shocks. It might be because of how big the eels are. It might be because of how the shock moves, or it might be because electric eels have body parts that protect them. Electric eels have long rows of special cells called electrocytes. Electrocytes each send out a tiny shock at almost the same time. The cells work together to create electric electric eel's big attack, zap. Stunning attack. Before an electric eel uses its attack zap, it has to find prey. Electric eels can't see well, and nocturnal, or most active at night. Electric eels send out small shocks about 50 seconds to send nearby plants and animals. Electric eels are top predators that few animals eat in the South American rivers where they live. They can also live in other types of nearby fresh water, such as ponds, because they breathe air. Electric eels can live in water that might kill other fish. They can also live out of the water for hours if they stay wet. Electric eels mostly lay eggs in small ponds. Male eels build bubbles nests with their spit. Female eels lay eggs in the bubbles. Males protect the nest. They also protect babies until they grow to about half as long as a pencil. The young eels only make small shocks, so they can become prey for other animals. Future energy source. Scientists are still learning new things about electric eels. Some scientists want to use what they have learned about electric eels to make a new kind of battery. The battery could be used inside people and it wouldn't harm them or run out of power. 200 years ago, Humboldt wrote that scientists didn't understand all the secrets about electric fish. That is still true today. What will electric eels help scientists learn next? That's all. Thank you for listening.
Good job!